Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2. In week 2, we're going to be focusing on the role of supply and demand. You'll notice that supply and demand is a very important concept given the flexibility of prices. For this week, I want to go over what you're being required to evaluate and what you're being graded on. The assignments for this week are going to be the following. You're going to be reading chapters 4, 5, and 6. You're going to be completing the week 2 activities in My Econ Lab. Now, I wanted to let you know I will be posting your grades for the My Econ Lab activities the following Monday after the week closes. You also have to complete the week 2 homework in My Econ Lab. And then you'll have 2 discussions as well. With these 2 discussions, we're going to go over the requirements, and I'll show you how to really focus your efforts on what is required. Here's the lecture right here, if you'd like to review the lectures that I've attained for you. Here's also the discussion. Let's look at the discussion right here. For this week, make sure to focus on the requirements. And the requirements are having your first post by Wednesday, having 2 additional peer responses to any of the questions that I post or any of the questions that I post in the course by Sunday night. This is for both discussion boards as well. For this week in this first discussion board, you're looking at supply and demand and showing the relationship between 2 main variables, price and quantity. How are they depicted in demand and in supply? So how do you represent them? So demand is dealing with buyers, supply is dealing with sellers. What other factors are going to impact the relationship between price and quantity? So those are those factors that we look at that will shift the demand curve as well. And then which factors do you think are most influential? Make sure with your initial post that you have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work. That APA formatting is very important in your effort, and that will help you obtain full points as well. Now, with the price elasticity question, now elasticity looks at the responsiveness of how consumers respond to changes in the price. What are some factors exerting influence on price? And when you look at those factors, we're looking at time, percent of budget, number of substitutes, definition of market. All of those have some type of factor or influence in the market. What I would like you to do is again focus on the requirements of an AP formatted in-text citation and reference by Wednesday, 2 peer responses by Sunday, and really focus your effort on your content in that initial post. And you can respond to any of the questions that I post in the course or any of the question I post to your peers as well. And then you have the quiz. The quiz is going to be covering various concepts. You're going to have it's worth 30 points, 15 multiple choice questions with 2 points each. And I'm going to be reviewing some of the questions that you could get on the quiz. I think you'll help with your analysis and help with your preparation for the quiz as well. So right here I want to show you that it'll take you to the My Econ Lab quiz section, which again you'll take in My Econ Lab. Here is also an iConnect live lecture that you can attend and review if you're not able to attend, but really focus your efforts on the discussion and all the preparation and the ancillary materials that are located in the course. If you need me to pre-grade any of your work, please send it to me through email, as I'd be more than willing to assist. But I look forward to your effort this week and wish you the best.